New Year's Eve did not go like I planned. I was supposed to have had this hair unit made, installed, and looking good about now. But you know, even the best laid plans can go wrong. So I'm not going to worry about that. Today is New Year's Day. I finally got a chance to relax my hair. The back of my hair will grow to be very long. I tapered this hair back, I believe it was in August, all the way almost shaved down. And it has grown back about 2 inches, 2.5 inches, which is fairly good for those amount of months. And I relaxed it. It feels really great. It feels soft. And I'm just going to nourish it and let it grow out and just use a hair unit across the front to blend in like I'm doing with this little cute unit today. I am loving wearing most of my hair with my hair unit. As my own hair grows longer and becomes healthier and stronger, I want to continue to let it grow out and wear hair units to incorporate with my own hair so that it feels like it's mostly my hair. You can do the same thing too. Even if you have hair loss, take care of your existing hair. Nourish it, moisturize it, condition it, and use minimum heat on your hair, and you will be surprised how quickly your own hair grows out. And then all that you will need is one of my toppers, half wig, 3/4 wigs to incorporate with your hair, and you'll feel great knowing most of your style is your own hair. Thank you so much, everybody, for joining me. Happy New Year to you all. God bless you throughout the year. And before you leave, please subscribe to my channel and enable that notification button so you'll always know when I'm working my magic. Take care, everybody. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.